this is Geeta Thakur. I welcome you in your own channel, Elevate English with Geeta Ma'am. Today I am here with one video that will help you to improve your reading skills. So this is only to know that how you can improve your reading skills. So here I am going to share some tips. So my number one tip is read aloud. Yes, when we are reading something, so that time we are listening as well, because whatever words come from our mouth, that goes into our ear, and from our ears it just internalized in our mind. So in this way we comprehend the topic well. So reading out loud is very important. When we are reading something in loud voice, so that is always interconnected with our mind, and it is important, because what happened when we are reading something loudly, so somewhere it is affecting our pronunciation, and it is giving value to our listening as well, because we are listening to our own voice that time. And in this way we can say that reading aloud is crucial to learn how to read English effectively. Second tip is read various topics. Yes, you need to read different kinds of topics. What happened when you are reading different types of topics, so that time you are not getting bored. Suppose if you have read one topic, and after some time you are feeling, after reading two or three times, you are feeling that it is quite monotonous, I'm not having interest. So that time you can switch to another topic. In this way, just take two topic at once, and first read previous one, and when you are not feeling energetic in that particular one, so you can switch to another one. So in this way your reading will be effective, and it will be interesting as well. And the other tip that I just want to share, that is read with a friend. Yes, it is also very important. When we are just reading with a friend, or with any peers, so that time we feel that reading is something interesting. It is like a fun based activity. What happened, suppose if I am reading any fiction, so that time there are sometimes there are characters, so we can take one character, and we can speak dialogue as well. If you are speaking, so your partner is listening, and if your partner is speaking, so that time you are listening. So in this way you are just killing two words with one stone. You are providing yourself with the reading skills as well, and listening skills as well. So it will be a great fun when you are just doing practice of reading and something with your friend. It will not give you boredom task. Okay. And another thing is that read three times. Yes, read at least three times. Whatever content you have chosen, you have to not read only one time, because if you are listening only one time, that is only for your listening practice. But if you are listening second time or third time, so that is for your comprehension, that how you are comprehension the thing, means what type of grammar is used, and what type of sentence structures are used in particular paragraph. So in this way it will help you in great manner to learn about pronunciation and grammar structure and vocab. So it is needed to read at least thrice. Yes, it is needed to read at least thrice to read one particular passage. And another thing is uh, another topic is read daily. Yes, if you are going to read something daily, so it will help you to make a habit. Yes, it will help you to make an imperative habit that will form your personality. What happens if we read something for 10 minutes or 5 minutes on daily basis? We are inculcating any good habit. When we are making a good habit, so that time we are making our personality as well. So it is important that if you have started reading, just read on continuous basis, not only single day. If you have if you are feeling that you don't have much time, so you can read for 5 minutes or 10 minutes daily. Yeah, so it is important, but you have to read repeatedly. Yes. And another thing that I just want to share in terms of reading, uh, that can be means read something interesting. Yes, if you want to read that passage in which you are interested in, so surely you will love it. Because whenever we read according to our choice, according to our interest, so it gives us satisfaction, and that is must. Because in if in any work we are not getting satisfaction, we are not getting any interest, so that time it is quite monotonous, and we feel that this is like useless. Next tip that I just want to share with you, it is also very important, that is learn new words, read new words. Yes, if you are just getting new words out of one particular passage, so you need to underline that word, and now you are going to repeat that particular word thrice, or sometimes 10 times, 20 times, but at least 3 times. When you are reading one particular new word repeatedly, so that time you are practicing that how to pronounce it perfectly, and at the same time you are just searching their meaning as well, that what is the meaning. In this way you are just enhancing your knowledge, and when you are just searching the particular meaning of the word, so when you get it properly, so you use it in your conversation. So it is very important. In this way you are somewhere building your vocabulary, and vocabulary is must. So when we read, so there are many things, there are many areas where we come to know, that where we can make it effective. Means if we are learning particular words, particular new words, so how they can be helpful in our spoken English journey. And the most last but the most important tip is read according to your level. Yes, read according to your level. If you have chosen one particular book that is very hard, it is not of your level. Because every you will find that every book is not being made for you. There are different genre of particular book. If suppose if one book has very typical language, and other has a very fancy language, so you will feel that what is the use of this language, and sometimes it will not be understood to you. So if you are getting too much hard words in particular book, so you will take time to comprehend whatever matter is given in the book. So it would be better just to choose just to choose easy going book in first term when you are just starting reading. Suppose if anybody just want to read something, so they can start with the Sudha Murthy book, because Sudha Murthy's ma'am's book is very understandable. The language is quite easy, and we can correlate with our day to day life as well. And when it comes to particular novel and fictions, so sometimes they are very hard and not easy to understand. So just start according to level. If you are very good, if you are a voracious reader, so you can choose anyone. But if you are a beginner, so just pick up according to your label, it will be good. I hope that you will really find that these all the tips are very essential, very crucial in the spoken English journey of yourself. So just keep in mind that you have to read aloud, you have to read with your friend, and you have to read repeatedly, and you have to read and repeat at least 3 times. And simultaneously you have to keep in mind that the particular book should be according to your level, where you stand, so that you can enjoy the book. And when it comes to vocabulary, so just learn new words and repeat that words at least 20 to 30 times, so that you can get the drift of the sentence, drift of the reading, that why we need to read in this manner. Because if you are keeping all these tips in your mind, so surely your reading is going to be effective and wonderful. I hope you will love it. Bye bye.